we will discuss the first order linear differential equations. The general first order, the general first order linear differential equation. First order linear differential equation is of the form dy by dx plus p into y is equal to q. Dy by dx plus p into y is equal to q. Where p and q are constants. These are constants are functions of x or functions of x alone. This type of differential equation is called first order linear differential equation in y, and this form is called standard form of the first order differential equation. This form is called standard form, and it is linear in dependent variable y. Is linear in dependent variable y. To find the solution of this differential equation, we need to find integrating factor. First, we have to find the integrating factor, or it as IF, that is equal to e to the power of integral p dx. This is the formula to find the integrating factor. Now, the general solution is y into dependent variable y into integrating factor is equal to integral q into integrating factor dx plus c. This is the general solution of the given differential equation. And IF, integrating factor, is equal to this. Okay, so we can write the general solution as the general solution is just I am writing integrating factor value, that is y into e to the power of integral p dx is equal to integral q into e to the power of integral p dx into dx plus c. Sorry, DL lo adigadandi. The general solution of the linear PDE dy by dx plus py is equal to q is. Okay, different options ichadu. Options low, we can choose this option. Okay. Now, if we interchange the dependent and the independent variables, so the differential equation can be written as the type the differential equation can be written as dx by dy. We are interchanging the dependent and independent variables. Px is equal to q, where p and q are constants. These are constants, are functions of y alone. Okay, these are functions of y alone. Then this differential equation is called linear differential equation in dependent variable x. Here x is the dependent variable, and to find the solution, we have to find the integrating factor. Integrating factor IF is equal to, just we have to change the dependent and the independent variables of the above equation. So that is equal to e to the power of integral p dy. This is the formula to find the integrating factor. After finding integrating factor, we can write the general solution. The general solution is x into integrating factor is equal to integral q into integrating factor into dy plus c. This is the general solution of the given differential equation. The dx by dy plus px is equal to q. Okay. Now we replace integrating factor value here in this. We get the general solution. General solution is x into e to the power of integral p dy is equal to integral q into e to the power of integral p dy into dy plus c. This is the general solution of the differential equation dx by dy plus px is equal to q. It is the linear differential equation in the dependent variable x, and dy by dx plus px, dy by dx plus py is equal to q is called linear differential equation in y. Okay. So I am taking some examples. Taking next page. The integrating factor. I am taking first JL question. The integrating factor of x into dy by dx minus y is equal to 2x square into cosec 2x is. It is also set question of AP set 2017. Okay. Now this differential equation, you have to remember one thing. The first order linear differential equation, the coefficient of dy by dx should be 1. So here we have x, so we need to divide with x. So the given differential equation can be reduced to dy by dx minus 1 by x into y is equal to 2x into cosec 2x. So we can write the p value, compare this differential equation with dy by dx plus p into y is equal to q. So p value coefficient of y minus 1 by x, q value is equal to outside term, that is 2x into cosec 2x. But we have to find only integrating. This formula e power integral p dx, that is equal to e to the power of integral p equal to minus 1 by x dx, that is equal to e to the power of minus log x, that is equal to e to the power of log x power minus 1. Now we know the formula e power log x to the base e is equal to x. So e to the power of log x power minus 1 to the base e, this is e, is equal to x power minus 1. So this is equal to 1 by x. This is the integrating factor of the given differential equation. Now I am taking another example from DL. The solution of x into dy by dx minus y minus 2x cube is equal to 0 is. First of all, I am writing the given differential equation as x dy by dx minus y is equal to taking minus 2x cube outside is equal to 2x cube and dividing with the x. So dy by dx minus 1 by x is equal to 2x square. Here we can write the p value, that is minus 1 by x, and the q value is equal to 2x square. Now we can find the integrating factor. IF is equal to e power integral p dx, that is minus 1 by x into dx, that is equal to e power minus log x. Now this is nothing but e to the power of log x power minus 1, that is x power minus 1, that is equal to 1 by x. This is the integrating factor. Now we find the general solution. The general solution is y into integrating factor. I am writing directly y into integrating factor is 1 by x is equal to integral q. Q is equal to 2x square, and integrating factor is 1 by x dx plus c. Here x will be cancelled, and this is y by x is equal to 2x integration is x square plus c. Therefore, y is equal to x cube plus cx is the general solution of the given differential equation. And I am taking another DL question. The general solution of DL question, the general solution of the differential equation dy by dx plus y is equal to e to the power of x is. Now clearly it is in the form of dy by dx plus py is equal to q. So we can write the p value directly. That is the coefficient of y, p equal to the coefficient of y, that is 1, and q is equal to e to the power of x. So find the integrating factor, that is e to the power of integral p dx. 1 dx is dx, that is equal to e to the power of x is the integrating factor. Now the general solution is y into integrating factor e power x is equal to integral q. Q into q means e to the power of x into, and the integrating factor is e to the power of x into dx plus c. So we are taking t is equal to e to the power of x, and to differentiate with respect to x, we get to dt by dx is equal to e to the power of x, and dt is equal to e to the power of x into dx. So substitute here. This is e to the power of x is t, and e power x into dx is t, plus this is e to the power of x into dx is dt, plus arbitrary constant c. Okay, I am writing again e to the power of t, e to the power of x dx. E to the power of x dx is equal to dt plus c. So this is equal to e to the, this is q, okay, this is equal to e to the power of t plus arbitrary constant c, that is e to the power of x plus c. This is the general solution of the given differential equation. Now I am taking another problem from set TS set 2014, an integrating factor of the equation x plus 1 into dy by dx minus y is equal to e to the power of 3x into x plus 1 whole square is. Now we can we know the coefficient of dy by dx is 1, so we have to divide entire equation with the x plus 1. So we get to dy by dx minus 1 by x plus 1 into y is equal to e to the power of 3x into x plus 1 only. Okay. Now we can write the p value. P equal to minus 1 by x plus 1 and q is equal to e to the power of 3x into x plus 1. Not required. Q value is not required. Okay, we need to find integrating factor only. That is e to the power of integral minus 1 by x plus 1 into dx is equal to e to the power of minus log x plus 1. That is e to the power of log x plus 1 whole to the power of minus 1. That formula is x plus 1 whole to the power of minus 1. That is nothing but 1 by x plus 1. This is the integrating factor of the given differential equation. Now I am taking another question, another example. The solution of it is from J. The solution of the differential equation dy by dx plus y by x is equal to x square under the conditions that y is equal to 1 when x is equal to 1 is. It is a GL question and also set question of 2017 AP set, not our state. Now we can write directly p value. P is equal to 1 by x and q is equal to x square. So the integrating factor formula IF is equal to e to the power of integral p dx, that is 1 by x dx, that is equal to e to the power of log x. E to the power of log x is x. So integrating factor is x. Now the general solution is y into integrating factor, that is x. Okay, I am not writing bracket. Y into x is equal to integral q. Q value is x square into x into dx plus c. So here we have y into x as this. Here x cube integration is x power 4 by 4 plus arbitrary constant c. So we can take boundary conditions. This is xy. Now apply the boundary conditions. The boundary conditions are y is equal to 1 when x is equal to 1. Y is equal to 1 when x is equal to 1. So apply y and x values here in this. So we get y. This is 1 is equal to 1 by 4 plus c. So from this c is equal to 1 minus 1 by 4. Sorry, what we have? Okay, 4 1 by 1 minus 1 by 4. That is 1 minus 1 by 4. C is equal to 3 by 4. So apply here in this, we get a C value I am taking in box. Therefore, xy is equal to x to the power of 4 by 4 plus C value, that is 3 by 4. And here LCM, right hand side the LCM is 4 and goes to left hand side. So we get 4xy is equal to x power 4 plus 3. This is the general solution of the given differential equation. Okay. Now I am taking another problem from JL, and it is also PL, JL and PL question. JL and PM. The solution of y dash plus cos x into y is equal to sin x into cos x. Sin x into cos x is. Now y dash means here dy by dx. So I am writing dy by dx plus cos x into y is equal to sin x into cos x. So here we write the p value cos x and q value sin x into cos x and find the integrating factor. Now the integrating factor formula e to the power of integral p dx cos x dx. Now this is equal to e to the power of cos x integration is sin x. This is the integrating factor. Now the general solution is y into integrating factor e to the power of sin x, that is equal to integral q, that is sin x into cos x into integrate factor, that is e to the power of sin x into dx plus c. So take t is equal to here, let t is equal to sin x. Now differentiate this, we get dt by dx is equal to cos x. So dt is equal to, we can write cos x into dx. So here integral sin x is equal to t and e to the power of sin x is t, e to the power of t, cos x dx is dt plus c. And we have another formula here, integration of x into e to the power of x dx is equal to x minus 1 into e to the power of x. That is the formula for integration of x into e to the power of x. So otherwise we can take the UV method also. Okay. So here we can write t minus 1 into e to the power of t plus arbitrary constant to c. Okay. Now and replace t by sin x here. So this is equal to sin x minus 1 into e to the power of sin x plus arbitrary constant to c. Here we left hand side is y into e to the power of sin x. If we divide entire equation with e to the power of sin x, so we get y is equal to sin x minus 1 into minus 1 plus c by e to the power of sin x. It goes to numerator, become e to the power of minus sin x. Here e to the power of sin x will be cancelled. This is the general solution of the given differential equation. Now I am taking one set question. The general solution is a set question. The solution of sin 2x into dy by dx minus y is equal to tan x. Y is equal to tan x is. So we can divide entire equation with sin 2x. So we get dy by dx minus 1 by sin 2x into y is equal to tan x divided by sin 2x. So here we have dy by dx, 1 by sin 2x is cosec 2x into y is equal to tan x is sin x by cos x. In the denominator sin 2x we have 2 sin x into cos x. Okay, here sin will be cancelled. So dy by dx minus cosec 2x into y is equal to 1 by 2. This cos comes to denominator, 1 by 2 cos square x. It goes to numerator, become secant square x. So p equal to here p is equal to minus cosec 2x and q is equal to 1 by 2 of secant square x. So we can find the integrating factor, that is equal to e to the power of minus integration of cosec 2x dx. So this is equal to e to the power of minus, as we know that integration of cosec x dx is equal to log cosec x minus cot x. Cosec x minus cot x plus arbitrary constant is there. If we simplify this, cosec x minus cot x will get tan x by 2. We have another formula to the integration of cos x dx is log tan x by 2. This is a formula. We can use that formula here. Here log tan x means here 2x by 2. Log tan 2x by 2. Again differentiate 2x will get 2. As we know that integration of e power ax dx is equal to e to the power of ax by differentiate a and divide with e. That is with the and differentiate with the differentiate ax and the result value your divides. Here we are differentiating 2x, the result value divides. So here we have 2 will be cancelled. So this is equal to e to the power of minus 1 by 2 log tan x. So this is equal to e to the power of log tan x to the power of minus 1 by 2. As we know that e power log x is equal to x. So this value become tan x power minus 1 by 2. Tan x power minus 1 by 2 means 1 by tan x power 1 by 2. That is root to tan x. This is the integrating factor. After getting integrating factor, we can write the general solution. The general solution is y into integrating factor 1 by root tan x is equal to integral q. That is q value here. 1 by 2 secant square x. 1 by 2 secant square x and integrating factor, that is 1 by root tan x into dx. This is the values. Okay. Now we can write this as integration 1 by 2 integration of secant square x by root tan x. Root to tan x dx. Okay. For our convenience, I am writing this. No need to write the step. Now this is equal to 1 by 2. It is a formula integration of f dash x by root to fx. That is equal to 2 root fx. That is 2 root tan x. So 2 will be cancelled. We can write here a plus arbitrary constant c. Here also plus c. So this is root to tan x plus arbitrary constant c. Here the left hand side y by root to tan x. So multiply with root to tan x. So we get y is equal to root to tan x whole square means it is nothing but tan x plus c into root to tan x. This is the general solution of the given differential equation. Now I am taking another problem from JL. One second. Now I am taking JL question. The solution of x plus 2y cube x plus 2y cube into dy by dx. Dy by dx is equal to y. Is. Okay. Now, if we take x plus 2y cube is outside, we'll get to y by x plus 2y cube. It is not in the form of dy by dx plus py is equal to q. So we can multiply the given equation with dx and divide with dy. That means x plus 2y cube is equal to y into dx by dy, and y into dx by dy minus x is equal to 2y cube, and divide with y. So dx by dy minus 1 by y into x is equal to 2y square. Now here compare this equation with dx by dy plus px is equal to q. So p is equal to minus 1 by y and q is equal to 2y square. So integrating factor గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి, minus 1 by v ఉన్నప్పుడు integrating factor is 1 by y and plus 1 by v 1 by y ఉందనుకోండి, integrating factor x అవుతుంది. అంటే ఇక్కడ మీకు ఒక చిన్న ఫార్ములా కూడా లాజిక్ కూడా నేను చెప్తాను. the integrating factor of dy by dx plus a by x into y is equal to some q is, sorry, polytechnic lo adigadandi, the integrating factor of dy by dx plus a by x into y equal to q is integrating factor is equal to x to the power of a. ఇక్కడ a పాజిటివ్ నెంబర్ అయితే న్యూమరేటర్ లో ఉంటుంది, ఏ నెగటివ్ నెంబర్ అయితే డినామినేటర్ కి వచ్చేసి. సో హియర్ ఇంటిగ్రేటింగ్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ e to the power of minus integral 1 by y dy, 1 by y is equal to e to the power of minus log y, that is equal to e to the power of log y whole power minus 1, that is 1 by y. Okay. Now after getting integrating factor, we write the general solution. The general solution is, here it is a linear differential equation in terms of x. So we can write the general solution is x into integrating factor 1 by y is equal to integral q is 2y square into integrating factor is 1 by y into dy plus c. Here 1y cancel. So x by y is equal to 2y integration is y square plus cy. Therefore x is equal to y cube plus cy. This is the general solution of the given differential equation. Now I am taking one CSR net question. Next page. The solution of this is net. The solution of y dash into cos x plus y into sin x is equal to 1 when y of 0 is equal to 0 is, which of the following not correct. Which of the following not correct? Okay. నెట్ క్వశ్చన్ కు జేఎల్ క్వశ్చన్ కు డిఫరెన్స్ ఉంటుంది. నెట్ లో మనకు టైం ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది, జేఎల్ లో క్రాక్ చేయడానికి టైం తక్కువ ఉంటుంది. ఓకే. నౌ ఫస్ట్ I am writing this differential equation. Y dash means dy by dx cos x plus y into sin x is equal to 1, and dividing with the cos x here. So dy, I am writing options first. Which of the following is not correct? First option, y is periodic function. Y is periodic function. And second option, y is positive. Y is positive in open interval 0, comma 5. And third option, y is monotonically increasing. Y is monotonically increasing in the open interval 0, comma 5/2. And the fourth option, y is invertible. Y is invertible in open interval 0, comma 5. Which of the following is not correct? Correct call choose this one. Now we are writing this differential equation as dy by dx plus we are dividing with the cos x. So sin x by cos x become tan x into y is equal to 1 by cos x become secant x. So compare this differential equation with dy by dx plus py is equal to q. So here p is equal to tan x, q is equal to secant x. And integrating factor is equal to e power integral p dx, that is tan x dx. That is equal to e to the power of integration of tan x is secant x. That is equal to secant x, integrating factor. Now we can write the general solution. The general solution is y into integrating factor secant x is equal to integral q. Q is secant x again into secant x into dx plus arbitrary constant c. So y secant x is equal to secant x into secant x. Secant square x integration is tan x. I am writing directly plus c. And y is equal to, we can write tan x divided by secant x plus c by secant x. And y is equal to tan x nothing but sin x by cos x. Already here secant x is there plus c into 1 by secant x is cos x. Cos x into secant x is 1. Okay. So y is equal to, or these two are cancelled, sin x plus c into cos x. This is the general solution. Y means it is the function of x. But we are given the condition y of 0 is equal to 0. That means this is y, this is x. Y equal to y of 0 formula. So substitute here 0 is equal to sin 0. Sin 0 plus c into cos 0. 0 is equal to 0 plus c cos 0 is 1. That is c is equal to 0. And apply c equal to 0 in the solution. Therefore, y or y of x is equal to sin x. It is the general solution. Is the general solution. Now, which of the following is not correct or not? Now we can check the solution is nothing but sin x. We can check one by one. First option I am taking. Y is periodic function. I am taking first option. Option 1. Sin x is a periodic function. As we know that sin x is a periodic function with a period 2 pi. Sin x is periodic function. Periodic function with a period 2 pi. That means sin of x plus 2 pi or sin 2 pi plus x is equal to x. Periodic function means if f of x plus p is equal to f of x, then f is called a periodic function. Periodic function with a period p. With a period is equal to P. This is the definition. So sine of 2 pi plus x is nothing but sine x. So sine x is a periodic function with the period 2 pi. This is the correct only, not correct, correct call. So we can go for second option. That is, what is the second option here? Y is positive in open interval 0, pi. Now we can construct quadrants. Here it is first quadrant, this is second quadrant, origin, third, and the fourth quadrant. 0 to pi means first quadrant. All trigonometric functions are positive. In the second coordinates, sine positive, and its cosec also positive. Its inverse cosec also positive. These two are positive. In the open interval 0, pi, in open interval 0, pi, sin x is always positive. Sin x is positive. So second option is also correct. Okay, it is possible. And now we go for third option. Option 3. The option 3 is, y is monotonically increasing in the open interval 0, pi by 2. First, you see the graph of the sin x. This is the coordinate system. It is origin. It goes to sin x curve goes to like this, 0 to pi by 2, and pi by 2 to pi. This is pi, and like this. So in this interval, sin is increasing. So in open interval 0, pi by 2, sin x is increasing. Sin x is increasing. This is also touch. Now automatically fourth option will be wrong. Okay, option 4 is wrong. Now we can check whether it is right or wrong. Okay. Now what is the option 4? Option 4 is y is invertible in open interval 0, pi by 2. Invertible means it is 1, 1 and onto bijection function. Now 1, 1 kavali, onto kavali. Either okati kaledanukondi, it is not invertible. Okay. First we see the definition of 1, 1. What is the definition of 1, 1? Distinct elements have distinct images. For example, we know the sin pi by 4 value. Sin pi by 4 value is 1 by root 2, and sin 3 pi by 4. Sin 3 pi by 4 value. It is also 1 by root 2. Here, distinct elements pi by 4 and 3 pi by 4 are two distinct elements. But the image is same, 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2. So distinct elements have same image. Therefore, the function, that is y is equal to sin x is not invertible. Not 1, 1. Not 1, 1 means not invertible. Okay. Invertible kavalante 1, 1 kavali, onto kavali. Kabatti this is the wrong option. So our response is option 4 is the right option. Okay. Now I am taking another net problem. CSR net. Next page. Net. If pi b, a solution of x square y dash plus 2xy is equal to 1, satisfying pi of 2 is equal to 2 times of pi of 1. Then we have 4 options. I'm writing the options here. Pi of x tends to infinity as x tends to infinity. Second option, phi of x tends to minus infinity. Minus 2 as x tends to infinity. And third option, phi of x tends to 0 as x tends to infinity. And the fourth option, none of the above. None of the. Okay, which is the right option? We have to pick up that. Now, first, I'm taking the given differential equation, that is x square y dash, that is dy by dx, plus 2x into y, that is equal to 1. And dividing with the x square, so dy by dx plus 2 by x into y is equal to 1 by x square. Already in the mundu cheppanu, a by x ఉన్నప్పుడు ఇంటిగ్రేటింగ్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ ఏమవుతుంది, x పవర్ a అవుతుంది. కాబట్టి 2 by x ఉంది కాబట్టి ఇంటిగ్రేటింగ్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ ఇస్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఏమవుతుంది, x స్క్వేర్ అవుతుంది. ఇంటిగ్రేటింగ్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ is there. Now the general solution y into integrating factor x square. I'm not writing baggage. Distance. 1 second. Here, the general solution is y into integrating factor, that is y into integrating factor is x square, that is equal to integral cube, that is 1 by x square, integrating factor is x square into dx plus c. Okay, here x square will be cancelled. So y into x square is equal to integration of dx is x plus c, and divide with the x square here. So y is equal to 1 by x plus c by x square. Now we are given, it is a y is the solution of the given differential equation, but we are given phi is the solution of the given differential equation. So replace y by phi here. So phi is equal to 1 by x plus c by x square. And pi means it is a function of x. And we are given pi of 2 is equal to 2 times of pi of 1. We are given pi of 2 is equal to 2 times of pi. That means replace x by 2 in the left side and replace x by 1 in the right side. So 1 by 2 plus c by 4 is equal to 2 times of 1 plus c. Now this is nothing but 1 by 2 minus 2 is equal to 2c minus c by 4. This is minus 3 by 2. This is 8 minus c, that is 7c by 4. So here 2 side. From this we can write c value. C is equal to minus 6 by 7. Okay. And substitute here in this equation. This is the general solution. Okay, I'm taking equation now. While substituting in this, we get pi of x is equal to 1 by x minus c is equal to minus 6 by 7 x square. Okay, this is the general solution of the given differential equation. Okay, now we can apply the boundary conditions. First boundary condition, all the 4 options we have x tends to infinity, x tends to infinity. Now what is the value of pi of x? We need to find. As x tends to infinity, 1 by x tends to 0 and minus 6 by 7x square is also tends to 0. So therefore pi of x tends to 0. This is the right option. That means here pi of x tends to 0 as extends to infinity is the right option. Previous case lo option check case పెట్టాము. Okay, this is not option. Okay, fourth option is not inverted. Okay, now I am taking next problem.
ఆశా సార్.
Yes sir.
నెక్స్ట్ మనకు 47-45 వరకు క్లోజ్ చేస్తాం కాబట్టి నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్ లో కంటిన్యూ చేస్తాం సార్. ప్రసాద్ సార్ రెడీ ఉంటారు.
Okay sir. Thank you sir. If you have any question you can